Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the factors affecting the speed of sound. Which factors that affect the speed of sound? First we discuss the effect of pressure. Speed of sound. The speed of sound is independent of pressure. Speed remain unchanged by the increase or decrease of pressure from the formula of speed of sound is V is equal to gamma p over rho. This shows that when pressure is increased, density is also increased. So they cancel out each other effect and velocities remain constant. So this shows that when pressure is increased, pressure P is increased, then density rho also increase. So they cancel out each other effect. This cancellation shows that speed is not depend on pressure. Now we discuss another factor that affect on the speed of sound, that is the effect of temperature. We know that V is equal to, that is velocity of sound is equal to gamma p over rho. Then we know that rho that is equal to mass over volume. Put this formula on this velocity of sound formula, so we get gamma p v over m. Then we know that the ideal gas equation, that is the PV is equal to nRT. Put this equation into this formula, velocity of sound, we get that gamma nRT over m. This relation shows that the velocity of sound in air is directly proportional to the square root of this temperature. So in this equation, V is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. This equation shows that speed of sound in air is directly proportional to the square root of absolute temperature. So the speed of sound in air increase with increase in temperature. This is the effect of temperature on the speed of sound in air. Assalamu alaikum student. We discussed the factors that affect the speed of sound. First we discussed the pressure, then we discussed temperature. Now we discuss the relation between temperature and speed. We know that for 1 degree rise in temperature, velocity increase by 0.61 meter per second. Now we prove that how the velocity increased by 0.1 meter per second. We know the formula of the velocity, that is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. If we write the formula like that, Vt over V naught is equal to T over T naught, where Vt is the speed of sound at T degree centigrade, V naught is speed of sound at 0 degree centigrade, T is the temperature at T degree centigrade. So we write T is equal to 273 plus T Kelvin, and T naught is temperature at 0 degree centigrade. So here we write T naught is equal to 273 Kelvin. So here T is equal to 273 plus T Kelvin, and T naught is equal to 73 Kelvin. Now put it in the formula. Formula is that Vt over V naught under root T over T naught. So formula become Vt is equal V naught under root 273 plus T over 273. Here we write the formula in simple form. Now we write it. Vt over V naught is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 T over 273. If we multiply 2 with 273, then formula become 1 plus T over 546. We can write that Vt is equal to V naught 1 plus T over 546. Vt is equal to V naught plus V naught over 546 T. Then we know that V naught is equal to 332 meter per second. Then put it here. Vt is equal to V naught plus 332 over 546 T. Then formula become Vt is equal to V naught plus 0.61 T. Now this formula shows that velocity increase by 0.61 time when 1 degree rise in temperature. Then we write here, hence velocity of sound increase by 0.61 meter per second when temperature increase by 1 degree centigrade. That is all about the relation between temperature and speed of sound in air. Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss another factor affecting the speed of sound, that is the humidity or moisture in air depend upon the pressure of water vapor in it. Let rho m density of moist air, rho d density of dry air, Vm speed of moist air, Vd speed of dry air. We know that velocity is inversely proportional to the square root of the density. So we can write this formula for moist air or for dry air is like that. Rho d, that density of dry air, rho m density of moist air. So by in this formula, moist air is always less than the dry air. So density of moist air is less than the density of dry air. When density of moist air is less than, velocity is moist air is greater than the velocity of dry air. So here we write, thus the speed of sound in moist air is greater than the speed of sound in dry air. Now we discuss the other factor that affects the speed of sound in air, that is the wind. The speed of sound increase or decrease according to the direction of travel of wind. If the wind blows in the same direction as the sound, it increase the speed of sound. If the wind blows in the opposite direction of the sound, it decreases the speed of sound. That is the factor that affects the speed of sound in air.